Electro-Metal Pressings Private Limited has emerged as the epitome of a premier engineering solutions provider. Over the course of 3 remarkable decades, we have experienced steady growth, establishing ourselves as a prominent player in the industry under the leadership of 2 visionary founders. Guided by profound industry expertise, our top management fuels innovation and drives growth, fostering an ethical culture that elevates our organization's remarkable reputation. We prioritize and actively engage in research and development to continuously deliver groundbreaking solutions. Our accreditations highlight our dedication to quality, reinforcing our commitment to excellence. With unwavering focus on perfection and attention to detail, we consistently deliver exceptional services. We have specialized our operations and services under well-structured strategic business units, allowing us to grow and diversify into several different sectors. Located at Templeburg Industrial Estate, our state-of-the-art fabrication unit is fully equipped with the latest CNC machinery and cutting-edge technology. We embark on a relentless pursuit to redefine possibilities, harnessing technology's immense power. We place great emphasis on ensuring a flawless finish, which in turn provides enhanced durability and resistance to corrosion. With precision-controlled robotic gasket machines, the process guarantees consistent and higher IP class. Our assembly unit is specialized in precise construction and integration of vital electrical systems. Guided by our meticulously trained engineers and technicians, we ensure optimal functionality and safety. With stringent quality controls, our creations emerge as true works of art. Our illustrious history and remarkable portfolio boast a series of successes as we consistently deliver exceptional quality and exceed client expectations across diverse industries globally. We design and fabricate type-tested low-voltage and medium-voltage switchboards for diverse industries. Our top priority is to integrate safety features and customize solutions to meet the unique demands of our valued clients. Our cable management systems offer fully integrated rigid support for electrical cables and server racks, precisely tailored to meet our clients' specific requirements. We provide comprehensive lighting control systems sourced from global specialists in electrical and digital building infrastructures, adhering to international standards. Our industrial automation services seamlessly integrate cutting-edge technologies such as PLC programming, SCADA systems, robotics, and automation to optimize productivity and elevate our clients' businesses. We also undertake turnkey MEP projects that cater to various industries, and our dynamic after-sales service team demonstrates an unwavering commitment to quality, ensuring prompt customer assistance at all times. Our inherent brand value has been amplified through supply chain partnerships with global industry giants. Over the years, EMP has been recognized as a benchmark of excellence, receiving many accolades. We power progress globally through innovative engineering. We are Electro-Metal Pressings Private Limited,